Today we're making Barbie popcorn. Today we're making Barbie corn, and to do that we're using strawberry floss sugar, same thing they use to make cotton candy. We're also using these cool sprinkles. We're using pink chocolate, which we're gonna melt and coat over the top of the popcorn. We also have 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of mushroom popcorn kernels, and we're also gonna be using some compound S to get all of this strawberry to stick to that popcorn. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. Down in the description is a link to a free Popcorn Genius recipe book where you can get all our recipes all in one document, and it's free. So check that out. Also, down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today. All right, we're starting to pop here. Now we're gonna add in strawberry floss sugar and compound S. Oh yeah, that's starting to look like Barbie already. It's starting to look like Barbie corn. Get all that pink. Strawberry smells really good. Starting to get that pink color on the popcorn. That nice pink popcorn. Get that all stirred up. So you get those unpopped kernels sifted out. All right, look at that. That looks really good. Nice and bright pink. I'm going to take a look at a couple pieces here. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that is terrific all on its own, but we're not stopping there. Now, we're going to take that popcorn and we're going to put it in this cooling tray. Look at that. Got this popcorn all over there. Now we're gonna take this, we're gonna drizzle some pink chocolate on this, and we're gonna put our sparkles and our sprinkles on here, and we're gonna Barbie this up. So let's do it. We got our popcorn all popped. Now we're gonna melt some pink chocolate to drizzle over the top of our popcorn. So let's get that cut open. Put it right in the microwave. 1 minute. All right, now we'll stir it up. Put it back in the microwave. 30 more seconds. All right, starting to melt. Put these back in the microwave. 30 more seconds. All right, look at that. All right, now we're gonna drizzle the chocolate right over the top. All right, we got pink chocolate all over there. Now we're gonna put in pink sprinkles. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how cool that looks. And now we're gonna put in some sparkly white crystals. Oh, look at that. Look how sparkly that is. That looks so good. All right, I'm gonna try it. Let's take a real close up on it though. Oh yeah. All right, let me get a couple pieces here. Chocolate hasn't quite set up yet, so I'm making a mess, but that's okay. Let's look at it. That chocolate will harden up in a few minutes once we let it cool, but I'm gonna give it a try right now. Oh yeah, now that's a fun flavor. That is so good. That pink chocolate on there with that strawberry popcorn and those sprinkles, it's so fun. This is definitely Barbie corn. It tastes so good. Remember, you too can make this as well, so get out there and get popping.